funded with public money. I hear the anger of generation locked out of opportunity while Uganda by influence, positions in protection. Sanapena Mashoko, the second and final speech, Yayungwana Bombshell Geza, Pangwa Inotichitanga a new start, a fresh start. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon as the revolution continues. Bombshell Geza no Branyura Chiti. Let me make this unambiguously clear. This struggle is not against a party, a tribe, or an individual. It is a determined fight for the soul of Zimbabwe. It is about restoring morality to leadership, accountability to governance, and dignity to leadership, reminding those in power that authority is derived from the people and it should be responsible to them. As we welcome the new year, I promise you that 2026 will be a year of significant events. Systems built on corruption will ultimately collapse under their own weight. Lies cannot endure indefinitely, and fear can only reign for a time. As we have seen, there is no honor among thieves. They have begun to turn on one another. Always remember that when power becomes insecure, history shifts. Emerson Hugo. I urge Zimbabweans to remain focused and send Emerson packing. He is not our leader. He is the source of our suffering. He is the reason we endured a bleak and painful Christmas, the reason we struggle to educate our children, and the reason our healthcare systems is in ruins, leading to unnecessary deaths. He is responsible for the disgraceful state of our roads. Do not be swayed by propaganda. Those who traveled during the Christmas holiday understand this all too well. While we grapple with these main issues, Emerson and his Rigananda cohorts distribute luxury cars, obviously, to the degradation of our social services buying you. I know some of you are easily bought because of hunger, and I know that hunger speaks louder than logic, but the reality is always that. Domashukwa mudanyo kopangwa ino na Bombshell Geza. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa msoro pichitiko ichi. Nemashukwa rike pangwa ino achideliver pena comment section menu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, pamwe chete nekutina on the bell icon.